It's only the first ski trip of the season.
Over a foot?
Yes. Maybe another foot tomorrow.
We're headed up to Mammoth for our first ski trip of the 2022-23 season. We're very excited. My cousin Jean is going to come up from San Diego and hang out with us too, and we're staying at the Mammoth Mountain Inn, which we've never stayed at before, which is like right at the base, the main lodge area of the mountain, which seems like it's going to be really very convenient. So excited for that experience, excited to get out into some fresh mountain air and see some snow. See you guys there.
If you're driving up to Mammoth from Southern California, you gotta stop in Bishop. It's about 45 minutes out of town from Mammoth, and they have this bakery, Eric Schott's Bakery, which is where we always love to grab something to eat on the way in or out. It's the home of the original sheep herder bread, whatever that is, but it is carb heaven. They have so many different fresh baked breads and different baked goods. It's so delish. You can go up to their deli counter and order a sandwich on said amazing bread, and it is just always top notch.
Got a cute little elephant towel animal.
So our room wasn't really anything super crazy. It seemed like it was slightly modernized, but pretty standard. Just a queen bed, flat screen, some drawers, a very simple coffee maker, good sized mini fridge actually. And here's our lovely view into the parking lot, parking structure entrance. Yep. And the bathroom.
It's nothing fancy, but we're close to the mountain, so.
We made it.
Oh, yes, we did.
Made it just in time to get on the lift and get a couple runs in. So cozy in here. This is my kind of Aperol spritz. That's huge.
If you like that, I will.
Wine glasses here are
I know.
so.
They're stupid.
It's like, would you like a bowl of wine?
You can say
I'm not complaining. I'm just observing happily. That's all. Oh my god. Literally living in White Christmas right now. I love it.
In a winter wonderland. I now pronounce you snowman and white.
Wow. What a performance that was.
again. Babe, I was picking out your hair for 22 days.
Trust me, I don't like to use your hairbrush.
It's old, stinky.
I'm gonna get you a new one for Christmas. I think maybe they have a little small travel hairbrush in that shop. Alright, gotta braid the hair. This way it stays completely out of my way. It's probably gonna be the messiest braid ever. Don't judge. Worst French braid I think I've ever done. We're going for form over aesthetics today.
I decided to go down to the rental shop in the hotel to rent some wider skis since mine are pretty narrow and there was a lot of fresh powder on the ground.
Get you a man who will carry your gear for you.
Right.
Do you want to tell me about these hand warmers? Your discovery.
They're my discovery
Yeah.
from Ignic.
Yeah.
They're just a sustainable company that wants to do reusable stuff. So they have gas tanks and stuff. Instead of using those little green growlers, they use a refillable tank. And then they have these little, anything that has to do with heat. And they have these warmers that last for 10 hours. So we're trying them out, see how they are. And then I guess if you don't use them for the whole night, you can put them back in their bag, reseal them, and use them up for 3 days. So that's cool. And they're also recyclable. So.
It's snowing so much and it's so fluffy. And it's not windy. It's nice out.
Not windy. Yeah. How about these trees?
I know, the tree trails look nice.
Wanna go?
I don't know. I need to get used to these skis first.
That's true.
I rented some skis that are like Nate's, so we're gonna see if they're better for me than
They're gonna be better than the other ones.
my skis that I've had for
But
10
are
years.
they the right ones for you? We don't know yet.
Testing it out. Woo, my legs. What happened just now?
I took a tumble.
You're covered in snow.
Yeah, I did some tree skiing. Got my left foot hooked on a tree branch. And I did a flip.
Oh no.
I lost the left ski. And it took me forever to climb back up the hill and grab the ski.
You're just dropping chunks of snow off your head.
And then I got a Charlie horse by a tree right on my quad. And then you don't even wait for me. What a life.
Whew. Doesn't get more ski in, ski out than this place. Time to call it a day and get some Apres-ski in.
Well, it has been quite a day. It was really fun. The snow was really nice. So we just came back to the room. I got a little bit of work done and now just getting ready to go out to the little main street area of Mammoth to go to this really cute wine bar with some friends of ours who live here. It's really cool because when you're up here at the Mammoth Mountain Inn, you're kind of like right up by the base of like the main lodge at Mammoth Mountain. So once you park your car here, especially for us, because there's a snowstorm coming in, we don't really want to move our car, and plus the road up here is a little windy. So they have a shuttle that will take you from Mammoth Mountain Inn down into the little town, which is great. So you never really have to move your car if you don't want to. So we're gonna take advantage of that, and I'm feeling a little bit festive. I'll show you guys the full fit over in the full length mirror over there. The outfit of the evening, I'm wearing this sequin turtleneck that I got from Express last year that I loved. This little vest is from Amazon. It was a great little affordable find. And then these faux leather leggings or pants, I guess, are from Shein. And then these are old boots, but I'm obsessed with them. They're so warm and cozy. And I think we're ready to go out and have some vino. We tried to go to Petra's, the wine bar, but it was super packed, so we went over to the Austriahof Lodge. We've actually stayed here before. It's another great hotel here in Mammoth. They have a great German restaurant underneath it, and they have really good stroganoff and schnitzel.
Well, good morning. It snowed a lot last night, and now we have a lot more privacy out of our room window because the snowplow pushed a huge amount of snow right outside. It's windy as hell out there, oh my god.
Christmas is just around the corner, coming up just around the bend. Holiday couldn't be here sooner. Holiday mistletoe, candy cane, Santa Claus. A gingerbread woman and a gingerbread man in a gingerbread house and all. Christmas is just around the corner, coming up just around the bend.
Every single shot I've tried to make today. Oh man, this guy, I tell ya.
Chestnuts roasting on the burner. Everybody knows it's Christmas time. And we've got Frosty, Rudolph, Snowball, Snowflakes, cookie dough, and that old Scrooge. Firewood, fireplace, sugar plum, jingle bells, and Santa's little helpers too.
So good.
A few moments later.
Nate is passed out cold, so I'm gonna go check out the hot tub because that sounds absolutely wonderful. Got my little capucha with me. The only thing that really sucks is the hot tubs are in a different building for the one that our room is in, so you gotta walk outside. So I put my ski suit back on. So there's no way I was walking around in just my bathing suit and my towel. No way, Jose.
2 hours later.
That was nice. Very relaxed. And outside our window grows.
Our own gondola. I like our own gondola. Don't stretch my lenses.
Have you been enjoying the last day of skiing?
I have. It's too short though. But the sun's starting to come out and we'll be gone by the time it does.
It's okay. It's only the first ski trip of the season.
We better do many more this winter.
Well, we made it home, as you can see. Yeah, we're just chilling after the long drive. Actually, it's really not that bad of a drive between here and LA. It only took us like 4 hours to get home, which is pretty quick. But yeah, all in all, we had a great time. I don't think we really anticipated the weather to be quite as crazy as it was. I definitely learned that I need to get better skis. My skis are just not going to cut it for me anymore. I have graduated. I really liked staying at Mammoth Mountain Inn. It was pretty nice. I guess like a quick little review, if you're interested, would be that the location, obviously you can't beat. So like 10 out of 10 location. It's essentially like ski in, ski out, which is amazing. Now it's kind of like outdated, like in the rooms. The rooms, like they kind of look like they might have gotten some slightly more modern furniture maybe 10 years ago. The bed was decent, I think, relatively speaking, pretty comfortable. The pillows, The lobby was really nice. The whole vibe in the lobby is really cool, I think. And the bar upstairs was really nice. But I have to say, the food in the restaurant is not great, especially for the prices that they charge. And it is kind of like your only option of food when you're staying there, unless you want to brave driving down the mountain road to go to town to go get something else to eat. Obviously, you can also take the shuttle, which we did, but that situation is a little weird. Like, you're kind of at the mercy of the guy who drives it, which he was great, but, you know, you either stay and have the convenient thing that's there, but it's overpriced and not very good, or you have to deal with some sort of ish to go to town and have more variety. So it is what it is. I think for the value of the fact that you get to park your car there, you don't have to move your car if you don't want to, and you're so close to the mountain, the price is pretty great. So I would definitely stay there again, but I would maybe stock up on more food for the fridge in the room before going up there. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed episode 2 of Vlogmas. I'm gonna try to do as many Vlogmas episodes as I can within my own sanity range, so we'll see how that goes. But definitely check out episode 1 while you're here if you haven't seen that one yet. It's super fun. So I'll see you guys over there, and if not, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.